So I was walking through the store the other day and I was looking at like tuna and canned chicken and stuff, and I saw the sardines and I was like, I've never tried sardines, but I've seen people eat them and really like them, including my husband. So I thought, why not try them? These are the King Oscar brand. Oh my God. There's capers in here. Oh. I'm offended already. I don't want to tip it too much, but look, capers. Do I just... Okay, I can do this. Yeah, I just took a tiny bite, but the taste isn't that bad. But then I looked at it. What is that? Absolutely not. So I actually think I could eat them if if the spine wasn't coming out of its body. But the taste isn't that bad. The smell is absolutely horrendous.